student. Today we are going to start class 4 subject EVS chapter 6 teeth and tongue bookwork, and the question answer we will do. First, just mark out the difficult words: milk teeth, permanent teeth, crown, wisdom, tooth, root, animal, pulp, incisor, canines, premolars, molars, cutting teeth, tearing teeth, cracking teeth, then grinding teeth, tongue. This is your difficult words, and difficult words you have to do in your copy. After difficult words, the question number A. Write 5 tips to avoid toothache decay. Now write 5 tips to avoid tooth decay. The first is brush at least twice a day before breakfast and before bedtime. Second, we should gargle our mouth after eating anything to remove the food particles which may cause tooth decay. Third, visit a dentist twice a year. It is also advisable to change your brush after every 3 months. Fourth, avoid eating too many sweets and chocolate as they may cause cavities in the teeth. Fifth, we should eat raw fruit and vegetables like apple, carrot and radish. They make our teeth bristles. This work you have to do in your copy. The question number A, do in copy, and the question number B. Answer the following question. First question: what are the 2 sets of teeth a person bears in his lifetime? Answer: human beings get 2 sets of teeth in their lifetime: milk teeth and permanent teeth. Second question: explain the temporary teeth. When a baby is born, he has no teeth in his mouth. The first tooth appears when the child gets 6 months old. This first set of teeth is milk teeth or temporary teeth. There are 20 milk teeth in all. They fall off by the age of 6. Question number 3. What are the permanent teeth? When the milk teeth fall off, new teeth start appearing in their place. This set of teeth is permanent teeth. A total set of 28 permanent teeth appear between the age of 6 to 12 years. Now come to question number 4. What is the structure of a teeth? This answer is on page number. I am writing the page number over on page number 41. The answer number 4 is on page number 41. Now take out your page number 41. Page number 41, and your answer is the structure of teeth. You have to make on your question number 4's answer is the structure of teeth. Answer number 4. Now question number 5. Define incisors, canines, premolars and molars. And the answer of this question is on page number 41 and 42. Page number on 41 and 42. Now take out the page number 41 first. Now first is incisors. These are 4 front teeth in each jaw. They have sharp, straight edges. They are used to cut and bite food. They are also called cutting teeth. It's the first of incisor. Now second, canines. There are 2 canines in each jaw. They are present on the either side of the incisors. They are very sharp and pointed like a fork. They help in tearing food. They are also called tearing teeth. Is the second. Now premolars. There are 4 premolars in each jaw and they are next to canines and they are broad and flat teeth. These teeth help us in cracking food and they are also called cracking teeth. Now on page number 42, molars. There are 6 molars in each jaw and they are next to premolars. They are broader than molars and they help us in grinding the food and they are also called grinding teeth. Okay, so the question number 5 is, it's on page number 41 and 42 and this also you have to do in your copy because it's your question answers and I have make you on your book marked in your textbook. Now question number C. Identify the type of teeth and write. First, their other name, number of teeth in an adult and what do they do. First is, okay children, now the question number C, question number D, question number E we will do in our textbook only. This work you have to do in your textbook only and the question number A and B is your copy work and difficult word is your copy work. Now first, incisor, the name of the tooth. Okay, the other name of this tooth is cutting teeth and the number of teeth is 4 and the uses is cut and bite food. Molars, the tooth name is molar. Grinding teeth and number is 6 and the use of grinding food. Then premolar, other name is cracking teeth and number is 4 and use is cracking food. Then canines, other name is tearing teeth and the number is 2 and the uses is tearing food. Okay, you have to do in your textbook only this work. Now fill in the blanks. Dash. Dash is the hardest part in the human body. Enamel, ENAMEL. Second, dash are 4 front teeth used to cut and bite food. Incisors, EINCISORS. The destruction of enamel of teeth is called tooth decay. Food. The dash is the muscular organ inside our mouth. Tongue. Dash hold our teeth at their place. Gums. Our dash help us to chew the food that we eat. Teeth. Now come to true and false. The first set of teeth is permanent teeth. False. An adult has a set of 32 permanent teeth. True. Canines are sharp and pointed like a fork. True. There are 4 molars in each jaw. False. We should eat lots of sweets and chocolates. False. And the question number F is your homework. List some food items that you should avoid eating to prevent tooth decay. So here you have to write the name of those food those you avoid to eat to prevent your tooth decay or prevent a cavity in your teeth. And you have to do this work in a neat and beautiful handwriting. After completing your work, you have to learn your work. Thank you.